The next definition, feasible solution. So points within and on the boundary of the feasible region represent a feasible solution of the constraint here. Points within and on the boundary lines here means so points on this boundary line here, even within points, those are the feasible solution here. Okay. Any point outside the feasible region is called a infeasible solution. If we choose any point outside the feasible region here, those are all infeasible solutions here. Therefore, points within feasible region or boundary of this feasible region, those are the feasible solutions here. So the next definition here, bounded region. A feasible region of a system of linear inequalities is said to be bounded if it can be enclosed within a circle, otherwise it is unbounded here. Just observe this diagram only. So O, A, B, C, this is a bounded region here. This is a bounded region because points are within the region or those are the feasible region here. If you take outside the feasible region, those are infeasible solution here. Therefore, here the points are O, A, B, C. This region is the bounded region here. Okay. Suppose in some example, this is one line here, this other line. Then in that case, this is a feasible region here. It is said to be unbounded here because you can extend. Okay, you can extend here like this. Okay, therefore, this is said to be unbounded here. You can extend anywhere, but here you can't extend here. It is a fixed region. ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ತೋರ್ತೀರಾ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ತೋರ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಬಹಳ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಜನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ such type of region is a bounded region. Such type of region is a unbounded region. Yes. So unique optimal solution. The optimal solution of an LPP is said to be unique when the optimum value of the objective function occurs at only one of the corner point of the feasible region. That is, if an LPP has only one optimal solution, then it is called unique solution. So just observe here again the same example here, previous example. There are 4 points here. One is the origin, the other one is the A, B and the C. These are the corner parts of the feasible region here. You just observe here, only at this point it has a maximum value. 72.5 is more than these two numbers here. Yes, this is a maximum value here. Therefore, only at this point LPP has a maximum. Therefore, it is a unique solution here. Only one solution is there. Hence, it is a unique solution. Therefore, if an LPP has only one optimal solution, then it is called a unique solution. In this example, it is a unique solution. Okay, because only one maximum value is. So multiple optimal solution here. The optimal solution of an LPP is said to have multiple optimal solution when the optimum value of the objective function occurs at more than one corner point of the feasible region. That is, if an LPP has more than one optimal solution, it is called a multiple solution here. So there is a example in the textbook here. Third solved example, page number 311. You can see here. In that example, these are the corner parts here. This is a diagram here. According to that example, this is a diagram here. Okay. Here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. These are the corner parts of the feasible region here. And this is the objective function here. Use the points in the objective function. You get these values here. So, if it is a maximization problem, you will get a 2 maximum value of 180. At 2 points, we have the maximum value. In example, page number 311. Third example, solved example. Example is one feasible region. This is one feasible region. You corner points ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ. At the point C, at the point D, you are having a maximum value. So similarly, in between these two, there are infinite number of values in this line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. There are infinite number of values points on this line here. Therefore, here the solution is multiple solution here because it has an infinite number of values in between C and D. The optimal solution of an LPP is said to have a multiple optimal solution when the optimum value of the objective function occurs at more than one corner point of a feasible region. So, in this case, LPP has a multiple solution if it is a maximization problem here. Okay, it is a multiple solution in this example. Remember. So no solution. The LPP is said to have no solution when the LPP has no feasible region here. That is, there are no points that satisfy all the constraints of the problem here. So just observe this diagram. In this diagram, there is no feasible because here this line shading below, this line shading above here. Both not meet each other. Both regions not meet each other. Means both shadings not meet each other. Suppose the diagram is like this here. This line shading below, this line shading above. In that case, this is a feasible region here because both shadings meet each other. Hence, this is called a bounded feasible region. It has a solution here. In this case, both shadings are opposite side here. This line shading above, this line shading below. Both shading not meet each other. Therefore, there is no points in common here. In this case, LPP has no solution here. In this case, LPP has a solution here because this line shading below, this line shading above. In that case, this is a feasible region, and you know that so solution occurs only at the corner part here. It has a solution, but here it has no solution here. The following theorem is the fundamental in solving a linear programming problem here. Let R be the feasible region of a LPP and z equal to ax plus by with the objective function. When z has an optimal value, maximum or minimum, where the variable x and y are subjected to the constraints described by linear inequalities, this optimal value must occur at a corner point of the feasible region here. This is important here. Therefore, solution exists only at the corner point of the feasible region. This is the theorem here. If a feasible region is unbounded, then maximum or minimum may not exist here. However, if it exists, it must occur at the corner point of R. Suppose feasible region unbounded ಇದ್ರೆ maximum ಇರಲ್ಲ minimum ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Suppose if it exists ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ then a maximum or a minimum may not exist here. However, if it exists, it must occur at the corner part of R. Solve the following LPP graphically. So first example here, maximize z equal to 3x plus 4y subject to the constraint x plus y less than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So this is called objective function here. This is a constraint and these two are the non-negative restrictions here. Okay. So first write the chart like this here. Take equation. Actually there is inequality here, but take equation. Taking equal to sign here, x plus y is equal to 4. Here also x plus y is equal to 4. Write it 2 times here. And x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Then we are putting x equal to 0, corresponding y is. If you put x value 0, y is equal to 4 here. So y is equal to 4. Take here dash. So x value 0, y value 4 here. So write here 0, 4. Then take a dash here. Put y equal to 0 here. Then x equal to 4. So write here x is equal to 4. Therefore 4, 0. And x equal to 0, it is the equation of y axis here. It is always the equation of y axis. And y equal to 0 is the equation of x axis here. Equation of x axis. After this, you have to draw the graph here. Here x value maximum 4, y value maximum 4. Therefore, take maximum 4.4 on the x axis, maximum 4 on the y axis here. So take x and y axis here, and for 1 centimeter 1 unit, here also on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. I have written a scale here. X axis 1 centimeter 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit here. So 0, 4, this point lies on the y axis here, this point 0, 4 here, means this point here. 4, 0, it is the point of the x axis here. 4, 0 here. Then join the points here. So therefore equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 4. This is the equation of the line is. And here it is a less than, inequality less than means shade below the line here. So you have to shade below this line. Okay. So this is the feasible region. This is called a feasible region because only one line is there, and one is x axis, the other one is y axis here. The region bounded in between this line x axis and y axis, it is the feasible region here. The corner points are 0, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 4 here. Okay, so corner points of feasible region are corner points of feasible region or origin here 0 0 and a pointer A 4 comma 0 and I take this pointer as a B here, so B 0 comma 4. Okay, use these parts are in the objective function here. So these are the points here. Objective function is z equal to 3x plus 4y. Therefore, z is equal to 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. It gives the 0. Coordinate of point A. 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0. 3 4s are 12. This is a 0. It is a 12. And the coordinate of the point B here 3 into 0 plus 4 into 4 is equal to 16. It is a maximization problem here. So maximum value is 16. So this is the maximum value. At the point 0 4, it has a maximum value. Therefore, optimal solution is x equal to 0, y is equal to 4, maximize z is equal to 16. So this is the solution to this LPP using a graphically. This is a graphical method here.